Hey everyone, we're here at Blue Mounds State Park. Checking out the nice cliffs you can see behind me, often used for quarrying and stuff. It is an awesome 46 degrees, nice beautiful day. Let's go. Like I said, this place has been used for quarrying a lot. There is some leftover infrastructure from quarrying done in between 1919 and 1931. This sign here says. Obviously, no more quarrying goes on here now because it's a state park. But man, it is a gorgeous day. It is definitely springtime. The birds are migrating back in force. We are under attack by birds. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the quarry. Alright, let's check this place out. I can hear a hooting over here. I don't know what that is, but let's check. It sounds like an owl or something. So I'm not sure what kind of birds they are. I think they might be pigeons. I don't know. They're kind of bluish gray, white underbelly, and they're living all over in this wall. I've seen a couple of nests. I can see them flying all over the place. One thing to keep in mind when you're in places like this, if you ever come to a place like this on your own, is to be careful. There's no safety nets here. A second ago, a couple of rocks just fell off the cliff over there. They weren't huge or anything, but scared me at first. Everything's thawing out and loosening up. Especially dangerous in the springtime. I like those little bits of snow clinging on up on the top there. All right, we are up on top. This is Eagle, well, this isn't Eagle's Lookout. We're gonna hike to it, but this is the trailhead. We're on top of the cliffs now. Here at the start, there's this cool little, I don't know, amphitheater, whatever you want to call it, with these benches that are made out of the stone. And this cool, beside a withering flower is a bud about to bloom. Many seeds remain after a flower dies. How similar to a flower is life. Shino Tamarino. Anyway, let's go check out this loop. I don't know how snowy it's going to be, so I don't know how far I'm going to go. There's a 4.5 mile loop that I originally planned on doing, but then we got a ton of snow, and I don't know how much snow there is on trail. And it looks like there's a lot, so I might not do the whole thing, but yeah, we're going to see the important things to see. Eagle Mountain. I will now attempt to climb it. All right, success. I am atop Eagle Mountain. I have conquered. Okay, it's not Eagle Mountain, it's Eagle Rock. It's just a big boulder. But it is interesting that this is called Eagle Rock Point, because the highest point in Minnesota is called Eagle Mountain, but it is on the other end of the state. Ooh, it is windy up here. Woo! Check out this view. Full 360 degrees. Awesome. Here's Eagle Rock from a distance. All right, folks. Here we are at our next feature. This park was founded in 1937. In 1961, this park acquired 3 purebred bison from Nebraska. Since then, they've protected that herd, and it has grown to a herd of about 100. And it is one of only 3 purebred buffalo in the United States, because most buffalo were crossbred with cattle for various reasons, I'm not sure, but here we are, folks. I don't know if you can see, they're kind of far away, but it's 2 big groups of them. Plaque here with some historical quotes and stuff of some of the first settlers in the area. I like this one here. Man feels here the thrilling sensation of unlimited freedom. beautiful here. I like these little ponds. I don't know what you'd call them, tidal pools. I guess it's not really tidal, but yeah. Really adds to the landscape. Alright, well, this is the end of the buffalo pasture, so I guess that's as close as we're gonna get. I was hoping to get closer, but maybe next time. Oh man, I didn't get it on camera, but there was a pheasant. I was coming around this corner right here, and there was a pheasant hiding under these bushes here. And I didn't see him at all, and when I got to like right there, all of a sudden he just took off right in front of me. Scared the bejesus out of me. Here we are at our last feature, this trail, this park, the top of the quarry. All right. Really nervous standing up here on this ledge with all this wind. But it sure is gorgeous. It is awesome up here. Look at that. I don't know what those are. Some kind of droppings of some sort. Rabbit droppings, maybe? You know what kind of droppings those are? Just post it in the comments. Let me know. Expand my knowledge. Look, Ma. All natural Cocoa Puffs. Alright. I found a nice place to sit down. I was going to sit down where those droppings were, but I found a different spot. So I sat down. I got some 2 tangerines and a couple applesauce packets and some hot chocolate. That was about 45 minutes for break. Let's finish this hike up. Look what I found. I'll take that. I swear it's almost like the snow is only on the trail. But it's not. Apparently here there's a line of rocks. It's 1,250 feet long. It goes from east to west, and they don't know who built it. From ancient times. Aliens. I've had a great time on this hike. I know some of you guys are into gear, so I thought I'd go over my foot gear here that I used. I'm wearing my shoes are Keens called Targhee 2s. They're waterproof. They're awesome. I use them for all my hiking adventures. I'm wearing gaiters. They're Catula brand gaiters. And then some of the time, most of the time, probably about 85-90% of the time today, I was wearing micro spikes, which are also Catula brand. So these are great if you're if you want to walk on any kind of ice, snow, even mud. They help stop any kind of sliding. These are amazing. I recommend them to anybody. Yeah, anyway, I had a lot of fun today. I wish it didn't snow yesterday, but it would have been a lot nicer. But the trail conditions were pretty horrible, but it's still gorgeous here. I can't imagine how much more beautiful it would be with all the grass being green and the trees budding and stuff. But yeah, join me next time on Happy Trail Backpacking.